Guys, I'm Vikram and welcome to 3 Hack Fridays by Roundups. In this episode, I'll be giving out 3 tips that can make you financially smarter. Hack number 1. Now, this is a bias with respect to money. It's called the house money effect and why money is not naked. Now, let me give you 2 questions. Question number 1. Let's say you end up saving 1 lakh rupees end of the year after a very hard work, and I give you 4 options, right? One is either you save that money, second one is you invest it, the third one is you use it to renovate your house or use it for some other purpose or need, and the fourth one is you spend it on yourself as luxury. Now, if you're like most people, you're going to end up going ahead with option A, B, or C, right? Let me give you another question. Let's say you inherit that rupees 1 lakh, or you win it in a casino, or you find it somewhere. What do you do with it now? Now, like most people, again, you might either use that for renovating your house, or you might use it for luxury, right? Now, what we don't understand here is 1 lakh won through hard work or through luck is still 1 lakh, right? We witness similar delusions in a casino when someone goes all in, and when you ask the person as to why they end up losing all the money, they would say stuff like, I didn't really lose that money, I won all of this through the casino, right? Now, we treat money that we win, discover, or inherit in short terms very differently than what we make with hard work, right? The economist Richard Thaler, who's a Nobel Prize winner, also says that, it's called the house money effect, where we end up taking big risks with money that we've won, and we behave very differently with money that we've earned through hard work, right? A lot of marketing agencies actually use this to sell different products to you. Casinos do this, where they give you $100 bill in the beginning to start off with. Credit card companies, but airline companies, a lot of marketing agencies use this bias to get you to buy their products, right? What we got to understand from this lesson is that whenever we win money, inherit money, we should treat it conservatively and with same way as we would respect or treat money that we've earned through hard work, right? That's the right way of saving money, and that's going to make you really wealthy. Hack number 2. Now, this is a memo that I've read by Howard Marks, who's the co-founder and co-chairman at Oak Tree Capital. Now, let me start off with a quote. The credo of the home run: a man can never be faulted, even if he's wrong, for the bold, aggressive action in pursuit of victory. A real man must be willing to strike out to go down swinging. Now, most of the investment world thinks like this, that it's important to take massive risk for you to make a lot of money, right? They go for home runs where they try making a lot of money, or they want to make extreme returns with extreme risk. But this is the opposite of how people at Oak Tree Capital and even some of the world's best investment managers think. They believe preventing losses is way more important than going for extreme results, right? Instead of aiming for extreme results, look to perform a little better than average over the long run. Do this consistently, and you will make a lot of money over the long run, right? Only a very few managers in the world really know how to time the market and know what the future will look like, right? Although people claim that they know what the future will look like, not more than, I believe, 2-3% of the world can do it. Now, the game plan should be to avoid strikeouts, to go for those massive home runs, and go for decent returns, a little better than average returns for the next 20, 30, 40 years. And one must have the discipline to do this if you want to make a lot of money. And hack number 3, as usual, I'm going to end this with a quote. Now, this is in continuation with the previous hack that I had put up on how the game should be played. This quote is by Amos Tversky. It's frightening to think that you might not know something, but more frightening to think that by and large, the world is run by people who have faith that they know exactly with what's going on. I hope you enjoyed the 3 hacks. Have a wonderful weekend.